Come here are step by step to install AfricaChoice.com mobile application right on your mobile phone. Why I have made a thread on that, take a few minutes to watch this short video and proceed installing AfricaChoice mobile application right on your phone. I remain my humble self, Mbonu Waxing. Let me go to my mobile phone to get that done, okay, in just two steps. Okay, here are steps to install AfricaChoice mobile application on your mobile device. Okay, irrespective of the iOS you're using, just pick any browser on your mobile phone and type AfricaChoice.com. Okay, then wait for it to come up, then go to this menu item. I seen it, this menu itemization, then scroll down. Okay, scroll down. I see install the app. Just click on this tab, install, and you're good to go. Are you getting it? So reconfirm it, install, and that is it. You have the application installed live on your mobile phone. Okay, so that is how simple it is. So that is how simple it is. As you can see, this is it here. Are you seeing? This is it, this one here. So just click on it and you can access AfricaChoice.com. You can access it anytime, any day. If you're yet to sign up, of course, you can come here and click on what, register. You can sign up your account. Signing up, joining the AfricaChoice.com is 100% free. Okay, and here's the good news. You can post, you can start a post thread, you can publish, you can be a community reporter. Okay, and you can also leverage the marketplace to promote your business, product and services. You can leverage AfricaChoice.com for. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Mbonu Waxing, one of the admin moderator, AfricaChoice.com. Bye for now, guys.